Hey guys, we are making 20-liter SDBS. So here's our water, 20-liter water, and then caustic.
We mix with water.
And then here we mix it with the water. It's like this. And here is Nanza, sulfonic acid, guys. So yeah, we mix water with sulfonic acid, 2 liter sulfonic acid, and the water is 20 liter. And guys, here's our caustic. We mix water, sulfonic acid, and caustic. Then we mix it. We mix it. We mix it. We mix it, guys. We mix it. And then, guys, caustic, you just don't take everything and put them. We put bit by bit. Don't forget. And guys, thank you for subscribing, guys. Our channel is growing, and thank you for your support for both my channel, guys, Mase Sarah channel and Mase News channel, guys. They are growing, and thank you guys. I really appreciate that. So guys, have a look here. Can you see that? Everything must break, guys. We are doing SDBS, guys. 20-liter SDBS. So yeah, this thing must break, guys. And then we put caustic bit by bit, guys. So guys, can you see the difference now? Can you see the difference, guys? So we are making SDBS, guys. Can you see the difference? So now we are going to test it with pH stick, guys. Yes, our pH stick. We are testing it. Not okay. It's high. So yes, our container. I don't know if you can see it clearly of pH. Yes. So now our color must be number 7. Our color must be number 7, guys. So now that color, is it 13?
Yeah.
It's 13, guys. So it's high. So the color must be 7, guys. So we put a bit of sulfonic acid to make it lower. We are checking it again, guys. We are checking it. Number 11. Still high. After using 5 stick, the 6th one, guys, our SDBS is right. So we leave it for the night, guys. We will mix whatever we mix tomorrow. Here's our SDBS, guys. Here's our SDBS. So we leave it for the night. We will use it tomorrow. So yeah, guys, see you tomorrow.